Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, December 27th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of ES and SPY. So I did a recap of the last week's action on a video last night. We said we had an inside day on Friday, and when we come out of it, you go with it and monitor it for continuation or lack of. Well, right now, it's 75 minutes to go prior to the opening. They're attempting to come out of this inside day with a gap higher. Now, ES put in a lot of volume up at the 93.75 level. We've backed off about 8 handles so far right now. We'll see if this gap is going to hold. The big goal for the buyers, number one, officially put the daily back into balance. That's number one. And then number two, to go tack the 50-day moving average in last week's high again. 50-day moving average is probably about $1 higher, I believe. 387.85. Actually, I take it back. The 50-day moving average is going to be pretty close to where the weekly high is. So that could be pretty interesting as the week goes on, to see if we could put the weekly back into balance, finish the year off maybe in balance on the monthly, weekly, and maybe even up on the daily. But again, a lot remains to be seen if that's the case. Let's deal with today. Right now, we're trying to gap higher. Triple Qs, initially we're looking to gap high, but now, again, with 75 minutes to go, they're back inside of their inside day. Remember, lack of is just as important as going with it if this inside day up fails. Russell right now, still looking to gap higher. So if we have a gap of $1, a little over $1, okay, I don't mind taking a long play against Friday's high. If the gap fills, I might not get out of it initially because I want to see if they come out of that inside day up again. Remember, the good thing is value high is pretty close to Friday's high. That's going to be really important to me. So maybe I would use value high, which is 38.70 as my out if I was to take a long. Because if you start getting value from higher to overlap into higher and fail on the gap, well, guess what? You would then go down to this 10-wide point of control at some point. So that would be a good long play. As far as a short play, if you're to push up now initially, right where the 22-wide point of control is at 93.75, probably be a decent place to start a short. The overnight high right now, as you can see, is poor. JKW, look at that. They all traded at 3,900.75. So that would be interesting if we get to that level. So a short play against the wide overnight POC, a long play against the gap and value high from Friday. And then just quickly on the chart. So nothing changes until the daily does, right? Well, we're in, it's down to balance as far as I'm concerned. If we take out Friday's high, we're strictly back into a 7-day balance, including today. If we can't take it out, we take out Friday's low, well then Thursday's low will be our target, and nothing really would change in the bigger picture. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.